Voiceless voice. The silent voice that needs no echo to be heard. Voiceless voice symbolizes those who cannot speak or be heard in society. The silent voice stands for honesty and courage. It doesn't need to shout or seek attention. Its impact is felt through truth and clarity. The platform exists to speak out, not for fame, but for fairness, not for noise, but for awareness. It reflects the belief that truth carries power, even when spoken quietly. The channel gives a voice to stories that matter, the good, the bad, and the overlooked, so that silence is never mistaken for ignorance. Mission statement: to give a voice to the unheard, shed light on hidden realities, and promote balanced awareness by fearlessly discussing both the positive and negative aspects of society. Vision statement: to become a trusted global platform that inspires reflection, accountability, and positive change through honest storytelling and unbiased commentary. Aims: 1. To create impactful, thought-provoking content that challenges perspectives. 2. To bridge the gap between silence and awareness in society. 3. To empower individuals to think critically and act responsibly. 4. To encourage open conversations on social, political, cultural, and moral issues. 5. To promote truth and integrity in media. Objectives: produce consistent, research-based video blogs addressing current events, social injustices, and uplifting human stories. Encourage public engagement through comments, polls, and collaborations. Build a community that values truth over trends and facts over noise. Use storytelling, analysis, and digital creativity to amplify marginalized voices. Partner with organizations or creators who share similar values to reach wider audiences.